Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So as we discussed today morning, I posted the analysis. So saying that the FIIs have done some put buying. So yesterday I also showed you that during the intraday also, like I figured out that some big guys were buying puts, but unfortunately the move did not come yesterday. So here that is some big put buyers are active and continuously buying puts. So those are the FIIs. They made a loss in FIINIFTY as well. They bought puts, but yes, so they today somehow like managed to execute their puts and take Nifty down, and finally somewhat they are able to stop their bleeding in FNO, because they were bleeding in every section. In option they were bleeding because they bought puts, and they also shorted some calls, and market was going higher and higher. In futures they were totally at a very huge loss. So somehow they managed today by taking down Nifty by 200 points, but still like they are at an overall loss. And yeah, now let's discuss today for today's analysis. First, in the morning, call buyers were active, we went long. So from 99 closed it at 112. So because I saw that rejections were coming. So, and also the one that I was telling from last Friday, that is I'm carrying forward some long positions in Nifty. So I basically closed them because the overall positions it was 4 lakh something, and the maximum profit was 19k. So 9k was the profit I was getting. So I closed it because at the top, if you can see, at 10 a.m. in the morning. So why? Because like even there was an RSI divergence on the 1 hour chart, as well as Nifty was getting resistance at higher levels, was getting rejections at higher levels. I clearly said that. So after that, again, we bought puts as soon as 22,200 broke. So we bought puts and closed. So started buying the. So the least we bought at 95 and closed it at 122. So average price was almost at around 100, so closed it around 122. And then again some hidden bullish divergence was forming, and again Nifty went up. So I closed the puts and was watching. And here if you can see, that is Nifty again. If you look at the time, that is 11:02. After that, like 11:02 here, that is again Nifty started going up, but finally the fall came. And as was mentioned, like even if you see that the hidden bullish divergence was forming on 15 minutes chart. Okay, so the thing is that you have to notice something, that is the time frames. Okay, so this was the bearish divergence in 1 hour chart, but in 1 hour chart there was no bullish divergence or something that was forming. This is the 1 hour chart. You can very well clearly see that no bullish divergence or something was forming. The bearish divergence was clearly there. So what happens is that the more the time frame, the reliability becomes greater the reliabilities. And so yeah, it worked out perfectly fine. And like I was thinking that nowadays technical analysis करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, but suddenly like yesterday I lost hope on technical analysis. Today is somewhat gained, but anyways, so that was the overall today's trade. Every analysis was mentioned, and talking about our indicators as well. So there was a gap, and then finally things came down. And yeah, so for Nifty. And also I have even I posted on Twitter as well when I closed the morning positions, and where I mentioned here, that is like I have closed my long positions, the one that I was carrying forward. So I think many follows the analysis and would have taken. So I think it would have helped them. Anyways, if my analysis are helping you, don't forget to put a like. And talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, if you see, ऊपर नीचे होके finally like the scores went to the neutral zone. Okay, finally like Nifty was falling, Nifty score was in the heavily negative zone. I also today shared this score live with every one of you on Twitter, so the link was there. So you saw how it worked, and it went into the heavily negative zone, but Bank Nifty was almost in the neutral zone. And yeah, so today was expiry for Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty did not move much. Okay, so this is how manipulation works. Where they, big guys will be having positions. So somehow or the other, 90% of the times they will be able to win there. Now talking about the other data points, so yeah, let's go to the EOD data. So if you look at the EOD data here, you will see that positions are being closed. You won't understand much. First, let's come to the futures long positions. Again, futures long positions have been built up by the FIIs today, and futures short positions have been built up by the PropDex today. And also for PropDex, if you look at today's data, so you will notice that some put buying has been done. If you look at the closing of the put writing and the closing of the put buying, so more put writing has been closed. So that implies that some put buying has been done by the FIIs today. And also like talking about again PropDex, the same thing, more put writing has been closed than put buying. So again, you can understand that some put buying has been done there. And talking about call writing, so not much call writing has been done, but try to notice that the ones, like you would see that this is the final number, okay, but that's not it. Like the positions were closed and then added up, okay. So call writing has been done, which we can say. And on the call side, you can see call buying being closed. So we closed our positions, the positional bullish position at the right moment. Talking about here, that is let's again discuss today. PropDex, they have done call writing as well as some put buying. FIIs again call writing. Call writing we can't say, okay, so we would have to say some call buying, okay. So I'll come to that overall what's happening, but yes, some call buying and put buying, okay. So mainly like FIIs have done buying today, and PropDex, they have done writing, call writing, and put buying, okay. Now talking about the overall positions, if you see, look at here, that is FIIs are having significant amount of call writing positions and also put writing positions as well overall this February month. And talking about PropDex, they are having like put writing as well as call writing. So the call writing has been initiated especially today by the PropDex. So अगेन ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत हेवी पुट बाइंग किया है या कुछ. So some put buying has been done yesterday as well as today, and also PropDex are taking some bearish positions as well, and so market can be slightly bearish to neutral, okay. And that's my analysis for today. And yeah, so and also tomorrow is our Nifty expiry. So let's go to the option chain. Here in the option chain, if you look at here, so majorly call writing has been done and put side is looking weak. But again, if 22,000 doesn't break tomorrow, so again we could just see another rally. You know that it just takes half an hour again to reach where today Nifty was. दो बड़े बड़े ग्रीन कैंडल आ जाएगा और फिर Nifty would be at 22,200 again. So nothing could be said again. These days, as you know, index management is going on, but whatever the data points are suggesting, I am only suggesting that the data points are suggesting that we could see neutral to bearishness, okay. But again, I am saying that if like 22,000, not especially 22,000, look at 21,981, okay. So this level, if it doesn't break, then again, I mean, we bears should be very, very cautious, and we should trade safely, okay. And again, it might be it can go neutral as well, like BankNifty did today. So if now 21,981 breaks, then we have a chance that we can see a fall. And if even 21,926 breaks, then the next level is at 21,733, okay. So or maybe like near about this is another level. Let's okay, so another level is rising. So let's mark it up. So here, okay, so then the next level would be at 21,840. So that's it for this video. So I hope my analysis are helping you. So if it's helping you all, so don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders. And yeah, thanks for watching, and trade safely. See you in the next one.